Good day! We have a brand new headset from Plextone. This is the G800 Mark II lightweight gaming headset. Let's unbox, let's review, let's go! Plextone is super kind to send another headset for us to check out. The previous Plextone XMOE R2 headset we reviewed is currently being daily driven by my wife, for which she is very satisfied. This box is nice as usual, showcasing this dedicated mute switch. On this side, some writing about the features, durability, and compatibility. On this side view picture of the headset. And at the back, the specs written in different languages and pictures of showcase functionalities. At the top, there are QR codes here for warranty extension. And what I have here is the black color variant. And to unbox this, the package contains their standard 1-year warranty card, this long 90cm audio patch cord, and the manual in different languages. And of course, the G800 Mark II headset, which is secured in this bubble wrap bag. The new generation Plextone G800 Mark II is available with a mute button and an upgraded HD mic. It is specially designed for gamers with breathable ear muffs and high-quality sound performance that brings the clear sound of footsteps, gunshot, and other sound effects in your favorite games. Let's have a closer look. The design is simple but has an exceptional character. Orange breathable fabric inside the ear muffs and well-adjusted over-ear cushion foam. Left ear cup has a matte texture with orange printed logo, Plextone text, and this subtle silver accent. Also, with these unique orange trims inside a plastic clear cover. Same goes with the right ear cup. Matte texture, orange Plextone printed text, these orange trims, G800 branding print, and silver accent below it. The headband has a glossy edgy center design with L&R engraved in a frosted-like texture, which is noticeably different from the matte texture of the ear cups. Headband cushion for comfort, and other branding prints here, and no print on the other side. It also has a metal bracket for accurate arm adjustment, left and right. And the attached long HD microphone here in the left side with ratchet swivel adjustment and a flexible boom wire for accurate voice pickup. Also under here is the dedicated microphone mute switch and the volume adjuster. For the headset's cable, this is a beautifully braided 120cm long cord in a traditional stereo male headphone jack. For the sound quality, this headset delivers outstanding sounds, balanced treble, good mids, and pronounced but not overpowering bass. Everything I listen to is rich, crisp, and clear. Not only for gaming, this is also good for normal daily use like music and calls. And since this is an over-ear, it also has a passive noise reduction that somehow helps filter out minor environmental noises, and very comfortable to wear. Now, I'm gonna try to play music, then put my mic near the headset speaker. This is not precise, but somewhat gives you an idea about its sound quality.
more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight.
Let's now test the mic for your game's heartwarming message exchanges, but also for calls and online meetings. Once I click the record button, you'll hear the G800's mic. 2, 3, mic test. This is the sound of G800 Mark II lightweight gaming headset. 1, 2, 3, mic test, mic test. 3, 2, 1. The mic audio quality is very decent and clear. There are some pop sound which can be eliminated by adding a mic tip foam. There's minor echoes or reverb that I think only because of the room I recorded this. But overall, it is pleasing. The Plextone G800 Mark II, one of the lightest gaming headset. Very capable, reliable headset with sound quality that is well tuned, very good, and very reasonable for its price range. And with its HD microphone, very good not only for gaming but also for daily usage. A budget-friendly headset that we can justly recommend. What are your thoughts about this review? Let us know in the comments below and support our channel by becoming a subscriber. As always, take care and see ya!